This video is about analyzing OData metadata using Microsoft Excel. Instead of using Notepad or Notepad++ to view an XML, let's use Microsoft Excel to view the XML. Here is a sample XML with a couple of orders and line items. When we open XML file with Microsoft Excel, we can see the data in a nice tabular format. Let's get SuccessFactors OData API metadata. Hit the URL and then save the metadata XML. Let's look at metadata. An entity type represents an API. These are all different APIs exposed by SuccessFactors. If we look at time zone API, it has a bunch of fields which we can retrieve when we hit this API. As you can see, it is difficult to filter or search for the API and their corresponding fields. Let's view the metadata using Microsoft Excel, where we can search for a list of APIs. We can search API based on field name and more. Drag the XML file onto Excel. Let's enable the developer tab. Right click on the ribbon, customize the ribbon, check the developer tab, and then view the source of XML. XML source has schemas for entity container, entity type, complex type, and association. As we are interested in only entity type, let's remove the connection between the structure and the data. Let's create a new sheet, and in this new sheet, let's create the connection for entity type and the data. Right click and refresh. Now we can see the list of APIs, list of fields. We can search for a particular API or search an API based on the field name, and then use Microsoft Excel other functionalities, like we can highlight the required APIs and then save this Excel sheet for future reference. That's it. Thank you for your time.